Buenas and half a day. We are Inetnon Gefpa'go with another episode of A Minagof Minute.
In this episode, we'll be talking to you guys about some of our Chamorro legends.
Hope you enjoy. We are here at the Maina Bridge where the legend of the White Lady first originated. She was a Chamorro woman who married a Spanish soldier, and one day the soldier sent her out to this bridge to fetch water. Even though it was storming, she came out to get water but was swept into the storm and was never seen alive again. It's a sad but telling story, and this is why it's very memorable. Here's a look at our way of retelling this tragic love story through modern dance. Enjoy!
Pues my love and Guini, I look wigi fionu, ta untuk tu kesti sinturahu, sa ayun ganeni, hagu hasu, tan hagu hagaigi kikurason. Tibay tulay ka siniteku sa hagu ay neni quinay zaku Tanyo hadil kwentus Tibay tulay ka siniteku sa hagu ay neni quinay zaku.
Hope you guys enjoyed covering this as much as we did.
We'll see you at the next Minagof Minute.
Adios.
Adios!